Do you find yourself full of energy by the time summer arrives, and do you sway naturally to healthier foods and more active pastimes? Or do you find that you can often spend your summers lazing a little too often in the sun and maybe sipping on one too many drinks? Summer is well and truly here, and it is a fantastic time to turn our focus towards keeping fit and healthy. So whether you're staying in the country this year or jetting off somewhere exotic, let's take a look at how we can use this sunny time of year to our advantage. Hi guys, my name is Didi and I'm a registered dietitian with Didititian.com. Over the next few videos, we will review the top summertime hacks for your health. We will see how that holiday away can help you recharge and refresh. We'll have a look at how to travel in style and arrive feeling energized rather than drained. I'll share my top reasons why summer is my favorite foodie time of the year, and we'll have a look at how to keep those nasty food poisoning bugs at bay. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button on my channel page to get notified when those next videos come out. So let's get started. In this video, I will have a closer look at how we can squeeze the most healthy benefits out of summer. From the summertime weight loss goals to summery food inspiration, and from living in the moment with mindfulness to getting your hike on with some destination exploring, summertime is bursting with opportunities to kickstart your healthy lifestyle. So just to start off, how many of us spend the months before summer keeping an eye on our diet to get into summer body shape? Losing weight to look a certain way for an event like a holiday may not be a strong motivator for long-term weight loss success, but losing those few pre-holiday pounds when you are overweight may get the ball rolling on introducing some healthy habits into your diet. Long-term weight loss success is usually built on a solid foundation of intrinsic motivation. This is the type of motivation where you want to make a change for yourself rather than for others. Intrinsic motivators include your energy levels, your health, or your confidence. So if your upcoming holiday is turning your focus to losing some excess weight, take a closer look to see what intrinsic motivators may be fueling this, and focusing on these may help to continue your healthy habits even when your holiday is come and gone. Now do remember guys that crash diets will only lead to yo-yoing weights and may even be dangerous depending on the diet. So just focus on small and sustainable changes to achieve your goals. So for example, make sure that half of every meal you eat consists of fruit and veg, with the remaining 2/4 being lean protein and whole grain carbs. Have healthy snacks at hand to combat those sugar cravings, and keep an eye on that mindless eating by maybe using a food diary. Small healthy changes do go a long way. And guys, what better time to build on those healthy habits than during the summertime? It's a time when local food starts hitting the supermarket shelves again, and picnics and barbecues get our creative juices flowing. And travel gets those food inspirations growing even further. I mean, each country, each continent brings with it their own cuisine, their own smells, their own tastes. From the finest restaurants to the smallest street vendors, food inspiration is all around you. Too often we can find ourselves growing bored of cooking the same go-to dishes time and time again. So use your holiday to hunt down the local specialities and marvel at the combinations of foods you'd never thought of combining yourself. And take special notice of the ways that the countries you visit incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables into their meals. The Italian pasta made with fresh tomatoes, the Greek salad with crispy lettuce, the Asian stir fry, and the South American salsas and beans. Adding this oomph of inspiration to your cooking can help to bring you back into your kitchen more often. And the simple act of cooking at home means you are back in control of the food you eat. And I'm pretty sure that you add a whole lot less butter and sugar in your home cooking than your average restaurant or takeaway does. And each time you cook a meal at home that has been inspired by your holiday away, you get to treat yourself to a lovely throwback of all those lovely moments of holiday bliss. Now we'll explore some great healthy summer food inspirations later on in one of my videos. And what is it about summertime that can make us feel so refreshed and recharged? Perhaps it's using all our senses to the full when you are spending time outdoors. This refreshed state of mind is often associated with the practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness can sometimes be explained as being in the moment and using all of your senses, so your sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste can help you feel more connected with your environment and help you to slow down your racing mind. Make the time to really take in the views from that hill you climb. Listen out for the birds in the trees, the sound of the cars passing, and if you're traveling somewhere outside of your country, listen out for the unfamiliar accents or languages of the people around. Don't be afraid to stop and smell the roses and revel in the smells coming from that local restaurant. Feel the sand between your toes at the beach and explore the texture of that old stone wall with your fingertips. and take the time to taste the fruit from the farmer's market or that local specialty dish. Focusing on your senses can calm down your mind and help you feel more at rest. And bring your curious mind and senses back home to continue this mindfulness practice in your own garden or even inside your own living room. Summertime brings with it longer days and kinder weather, and if you ask me, those are the perfect conditions to get outside for a walk after work and a hike on the weekends. And while holidays are typically a time to rest and relax, perhaps at a beach or a pool, there are plenty of opportunities to break a sweat and get in some fun-filled physical activity. Grab your runners and hike up the hill in the local town. Take a swim at the beach or in the pool. Challenge your friends to a game of beach volleyball or rent a bike and cycle around the city to see the local sights. I mean, exercise doesn't have to be in a gym and it doesn't have to be boring. A few minutes of exercise here and there add up quickly. So make the most of that gorgeous sun or that hilly town, and totting up exercising minutes will be a breeze. Do make sure to wear your sunscreen if you're spending time outdoors in the sun, and do reapply every few hours and after being in the water. So whether your healthy habits start well before summer arrives, or you pick up some great food inspiration, mindfulness practice and outdoorsy activities during the days in the sun, summer is full of opportunities to build on your healthy lifestyle. I hope that this video has inspired you to use your summer to the fullest. Get out into that lovely sun, marvel at the delicious local veg on offer, and take the time to relax outdoors. Now, if this video has inspired you in some way, then comment the word summer in the comment section below. In my next video, I will be exploring the top 10 healthy holiday hacks. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button on my channel page to get notified when that next video comes out. I hope to catch you on my Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest pages as well, where I'll keep the conversation going until my next video. So I'll see you then. Bye!